Awakening the Spirit, a journey through English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an inspiring phrase that you might come across in English, awakening the spirit. This idiom is rich in meaning and usage, and understanding it can add depth to your English communication. So, let's explore what it means to awaken the spirit, how it's used, and some examples to help you grasp its essence. Stay with us to unlock a beautiful part of the English language. Awakening the spirit refers to the process of reviving or stimulating someone's inner sense of vitality, purpose, or enthusiasm. It's about bringing to life the passion and energy that resides within us, often lying dormant until triggered by certain experiences, people, or realizations. This phrase suggests a transformation or rebirth of one's inner self, leading to a heightened sense of awareness, motivation, and engagement with life. You can use awakening the spirit in various contexts, such as personal development, motivation, spirituality, and even in literature and art. It's a powerful expression when talking about life-changing experiences, personal growth, or moments of clarity and profound understanding. Here are some examples to illustrate its use. Personal development. Joining the volunteer group was a turning point for her, truly awakening her spirit and giving her life new direction. Motivational speeches. Today, I want to talk about awakening your spirit, unlocking your potential, and embracing life's challenges with a renewed sense of purpose. Literature and art. The protagonist's journey is one of awakening the spirit, as he discovers the true meaning of happiness and fulfillment. To further illustrate how awakening the spirit can be woven into everyday language, let's look at some more examples. After attending the workshop, I felt a real awakening of my spirit. I'm now more committed than ever to pursue my dreams. The breathtaking view from the mountaintop was like an awakening of the spirit, reminding me of the beauty and vastness of the world. We hope this exploration of awakening the spirit has enlightened and inspired you. This beautiful phrase is more than just words. It's a concept that encourages us to find and reignite the spark within ourselves, leading to personal growth and fulfillment. Remember, the journey of awakening the spirit is unique to each individual and can lead to profound changes in how we view ourselves and the world around us. Thank you for joining us today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and may your spirit awaken to the beauty of life.